In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the medical lab here in Arc Raiders. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, obviously go ahead and get on the lobby of Arc Raiders. You can actually do this within your game, but essentially what you're going to want to do is actually just select Workshop up in the top left corner, and it's going to pull up a page that looks like this. Once you are inside, all you got to do is go ahead and click on one of the plus icons down here, and it's going to bring you to a page that allows you to install a new station. Essentially, just scroll through here until you do see the medical lab, just like so. And once you do see the medical lab on the right-hand sidebar, you're going to see all the requirements shown. For example, for this one, I need 50 fabric and 3 arc alloy. And once you do have those materials, and if you're having issues getting them, go ahead and select track resources. But it will go ahead and allow you to create the medical lab. Obviously, you'll have to come back to this thing and hit install. But after you do so, you'll be able to use the medical lab to help you craft healing items such as stimulants, bandages, and other recovery consumables. It really is as simple as that, and it's pretty helpful, I'm not going to lie. But that is how you can get the medical lab here in Arc Raiders. If this guide was helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, ask them down below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.